Welcome to the city where the glass beneath your...
And where every step is an adventure waiting to.
You two are too small to cross this path. Let's... Your weight might lead us straight down, Rex.
Milo, I don't think this tunnel is going to hold much longer.
Stick close to me, Kai. I've got an idea.
What are you doing?
Saving all of us, Rex. Hold steady.
I never thought teamwork would feel this solid.
I guess I underestimated you two. Let's finish this. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Until next.
And remember, teamwork makes even the trickiest